Hi, in this video I'm going to go through question 1 part C on map 2007. So here we want to know the number of solutions that this equation has for x in the range 0 to 2 pi. So with a question like this, the easiest thing to try is just to replace either sine or cos, so that we have everything either in terms of sine or everything in terms of cos. So if we know that we have a cos squared x here, then we can use that, because cos squared plus sine squared is 1, cos squared is equal to 1 minus sine squared, and we can use that to replace the cos squared there. So this is what we get if we substitute 1 minus sine squared x in for the cos squared x. So I'm going to say s is sine x, just so it's easier to write. So if we do that, then we'll see that our equation rearranges to this, and this is a quadratic in s. Okay, so let's try and factorize this quadratic. So we're going to need two numbers which add together to make minus 7, and multiply together to make 2 times 3, which is 6. So we see that 6 and 1 will work. So I can rewrite this, splitting up this minus 7s into minus 6 minus 1s. And then we see that we can factorize 2s out of the first two terms, and minus 1 out of the second two terms. And now we can factorize s minus 3 out of both of these terms. So we see that our quadratic factorizes to 2s minus 1, s minus 3, and so s is either a half or 3. But remember, s is sine x, so sine x is never going to be 3, so we have that sine x, s must be equal to a half. Okay, then so we just need to figure out how many values of x in the range 0 to pi will give us sine x equal to a half. And if we think about the graph of sine x, we see we'll get two values, and these values are actually pi over 4 and 3 pi over 4, but we only need to know how many solutions there are. So there are two solutions, and that answer is B.